Welcome back, fellow travelers. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly navigate the world of luxury travel? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of luxury travel hacks, revealing secrets that will open doors to a world of opulence and extravagance without emptying your bank account. Our first stop on this journey is all about accommodations. Picture this: lounging in a plush robe, gazing at an incredible view from your suite in a five-star hotel. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? The good news is, you don't have to be a millionaire to enjoy such luxury. The trick is in timing and technology. By booking during off-peak seasons or using specific travel apps, you can secure incredible deals on luxury hotels. This simple hack can save you hundreds of dollars, allowing you to indulge in the lap of luxury without putting a dent in your wallet. With this hack, you can secure incredible deals on luxury hotels and save hundreds of dollars. Next up, let's uncover the secret to scoring exclusive access to VIP experiences. Ever marvel at those with insider access to the world's most coveted spots? Worry not, we're about to spill the beans. It's all about connections and a little bit of research. Begin by joining travel communities and forums online. These platforms often have members willing to share exclusive contacts and tips. Secondly, don't underestimate the power of a well-written request. Whether it's a private tour of a historic castle or a sneak peek into a Michelin-starred kitchen, a polite and passionate email can open many doors. Also, consider hiring a local guide. They usually have insider knowledge and may provide access to experiences not typically available to the public. And remember, timing is everything. Off-peak hours can often mean less crowd and more exclusivity. With these insider tips, you can discover hidden gems and enjoy unforgettable experiences. Now, let's address one of the most common concerns for luxury travelers: luggage limitations. Pack like a pro and look fabulous on your travels with these smart packing techniques. The first trick is to roll your clothes. Not only does this save space, it also reduces wrinkles. A win-win, right? Next, use every nook and cranny. Your shoes, for example, are perfect for stuffing socks and other small items. Now you're probably thinking, but what about my designer dresses and suits? Here's the hack: use dry cleaner bags. Slip your clothes into these bags before folding. They reduce friction and thus prevent wrinkles. And finally, the pièce de résistance, compression bags. These nifty inventions can save you a ton of space by removing the air between your clothes. So fear not, luxury travelers. These packing techniques will help you look fabulous on your travels without the worry of luggage limitations. Our next travel hack will show you how to enjoy the perks of a private pool or beach access. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not staying at a five-star resort. Don't worry, you don't have to. There are several ways to dip your toes into the waters of luxury without breaking your budget. Many high-end hotels and resorts offer day passes to their facilities. This means you can lounge by their private pool, take a relaxing stroll on their exclusive beach, and even indulge in their spa facilities, all without booking a room. In some cases, these day passes also come with food and drink credits, making the deal even sweeter. Another option is to look for beach clubs or pool clubs. These establishments offer similar amenities as luxury resorts, but are open to the public for a fee. Trust me, this hack will add a touch of luxury to your travels without costing a fortune. Let's move on to a topic that's on every luxury traveler's mind: dining like royalty. Now, it's no secret that high-end restaurants are often associated with hefty price tags, but what if I told you there are ways to indulge in gourmet meals at prestigious establishments without breaking the bank? Intrigued? Let's delve in. One strategy is taking advantage of lunch specials. Many upscale restaurants offer lunch menus that are just as delicious, but at a fraction of the dinner price. Another tip is to look for early bird deals. Restaurants often have special prices for diners who eat earlier in the evening. Additionally, consider dining on weekdays when restaurants are less crowded and more likely to offer deals. Lastly, don't forget about Restaurant Week events in many cities, which offer prix-fixé menus at discounted prices. With these strategies, you can savor exquisite cuisine without emptying your wallet. Our next travel hack is all about transportation in style. Imagine yourself gliding through the city streets in a luxury vehicle, turning heads as you go. Sounds like a dream, right? But it doesn't have to be. You can indeed secure luxury car rentals at discounted rates, ensuring you arrive at your destinations in the utmost comfort and sophistication. So, how does this work? There are several online platforms that offer discounted rates for luxury car rentals. By comparing prices and taking advantage of special offers, you can land a great deal on a high-end vehicle. It's all about timing and flexibility. Also, consider joining loyalty programs. Many rental companies offer exclusive deals to their members, including upgrades to luxury vehicles. And lastly, don't forget to check for last-minute deals. Rental companies often reduce prices on unsold inventory, so you might just score a luxury ride for less. With this hack, you can enjoy the perks of a personal chauffeur without the hefty price tag. Our final travel hack will teach you how to find incredible deals on first-class flights. Imagine stepping onto a plane, being greeted by name, and escorted to your spacious seat in an exclusive cabin. Picture yourself savoring gourmet meals, stretching out in a fully reclining seat, and enjoying top-notch in-flight entertainment. This dream can be your reality with a few savvy strategies. First, consider frequent flyer programs. Many airlines reward loyal customers with points that can be redeemed for upgrades. Next, timing is crucial. Airlines often release discounted first-class seats about a week before departure. Lastly, consider using a travel rewards credit card. These cards offer perks like free upgrades, lounge access, and even companion tickets. So with a little research and planning, you can experience the luxury of first-class travel without breaking the bank. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the top luxe travel hacks that will revolutionize your journeys.